We have given statement and we have to build first truth table. Because simple statements are P, R, and Q, we have three simple statements, so we will have 2 to third power, so this is 8 rows. P can be true or false, R can be true or false, and Q can be true or false. That's why we have 8 combinations, so it will be 8 rows. And for true, we can use letter T or 1, and for false, F or 0 you can use. I like to use 1 and 0. So in first columns we have to put simple statements. We have P, Q, R. Next we have to check if we have negation. We have negation of P. And next we have to start from parentheses. We have only here parentheses. So first is not P and R, because I have only these 2 parentheses in the statement. So in this column I will put this whole statement, not P and R or Q or R. And in the last column I will put the last parenthesis, Q or R, because it will be easy to compare these 2 statements. And we have, like I said, 8 combinations. P can be true or false, the same for Q and R. So first we will have 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. Next we can put 0, 0, 0, so all 3 statements, simple statements, are false. Next will be 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, and we will have 0, 1, 0. When we have 3 simple statements, it means that we should get 8 rows. We have 8 rows, and we have to have 4 1s and 4 zeros for P, Q, E, and R. You can always check if everything is correct. Next, in the fourth column, we have negation of P. So not 1, so it will be 0, 0, 0, 0. Now not 0, so it will be 1, 1, 1, and 1. Next, we have conjunction. Conjunction is true only when both statements are true. So we have not P and R, 1 and 0, so this is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and we have 1 and 1, so it will be 1, 1, and 0. Next, we have to do the last column. We have Q or R, so we have this junction. This junction is false only when both statements are false. So we have Q or R, 1 or 1, so this is 1, 1 or 0, so this is 1, 0 or 0, so this is 0, 0 or 1, 1, 0 or 0, so will be 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, and 1. Now we have between these 2 statements symbol OR. So again we have this junction. This junction is false only when both statements are false. So we have 0 or 1, so this is 1, 0 or 1, so this is 1, 0 or 0, so it will be 0, 0 or 1, so it will be 1, 0 or 0, so it will be 0, 1, or 1, so it's 1, 1 or 1, so this is 1, and 0 or 1, So this is 1. In this column, we have our statement, which we have at the beginning. This is our statement. We see that we didn't get all ones or all zeros. So it means that this statement is not tautology and is not self-contradiction statement. This is my solution.